Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a team member did not complete their cleaning task before going home for the day. The disorganized work or could cause a safety accident. You quickly clean up the work area. The next day you see a team member. What are you least likely to do? Say nothing to the team member because the problem has been taken care of. Let the team member know you fixed their disorganized work area and make a note to mention to your leader. Remind them to be more careful about cleaning up in the future because their disorganized work area could have caused an accident. Tell them you are going to report their disorganized work area to their leader, and the answer of the question is given the scenario where a team member did not complete their cleaning task, creating a potential safety hazard, and you took care of the issue. The action you are is likely to take is say nothing to the team member because the problem has been taken care of. This is because it's important to address the issue with the team member to ensure they are aware of the potential safety hazard their negligence could be caused and to prevent it from happening again in the future. Ignoring the issue without addressing it with a team member does not help in preventing future occurrences. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.